In this video, we will show you how to fix Messenger notes not showing on Android. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So, let's begin. Now, if you are experiencing issues with Messenger notes that are not showing on your Android device, you can try a few troubleshooting steps to resolve the problem. And the first thing we need to do is simply you need to update the Messenger app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Messenger app installed on your Android device. That's one thing. Now, you need to visit the Google Play Store. Go to the Messenger app page and check for any available updates. An outdated app version might cause issues with certain features such as, the Messenger notes. After doing so, if it's not working, you might need to restart the app. Sometimes restarting the Messenger app can resolve minor glitches or issues. You need to close the app completely and then reopen it to see if the notes reappear. Alright? And then if it's still not working, what we need to do next is you might want to clear cache and data. Clearing the cache and data of the Messenger app might help. All you gotta do is go to settings on your Android device, then navigate to apps or applications, find Messenger in the list, tap on it, and then select storage. From there, you can clear the cache and data. Alright? Also, what you can do is simply check your internet connection. Ensure that your Android device has a stable and active internet connection, because most of the time, Messenger notes might not load properly without a good internet connection. Alright? Okay, so here's another thing. You can also update Android OS. Ensure your device's operating system is up to date. All you're gonna do is go to Settings, System, Software Update, or similar to check for any available system updates, because keeping your device updated can often resolve compatibility issues with your apps. Okay. Another method is all you're gonna do is simply check Messenger settings. Verify that the notes feature is enabled in Messenger settings. So for you to be able to do that, just simply open the Messenger app, go to your profile or settings section, and look for any options related to notes. Make sure they are turned on. And if the issue persists, I think you're gonna reinstall the Messenger app itself. Alright, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Messenger app. This might help fix any underlying issues or corrupted files within the app. Okay, if all else fails, maybe it's time to contact the Messenger support. Alright, you might want to reach out to Messenger's official support for further assistance. They might provide specific guidance or solutions for the issue you are experiencing. And once again, before taking any significant steps like reinstalling the app or clearing data, ensure that you have backup any important information or notes within the Messenger app to avoid losing any data. Okay? And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.